Are you living on a $3,000 monthly income and wondering where all your money disappears? You're not alone. The truth is, budgeting isn't about being restrictive. It's about gaining control and peace of mind. In this video, we'll break down exactly how to budget a $3,000 income step by step, using real numbers and smart strategies. Stay till the end for a simple tool that can change how you manage your money forever. Is Section 1, the 50-30-20. Rule explained. Let's start with a popular budgeting method, the 50-30-20 rule. It's simple and powerful. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. So with a $3,000 monthly income, needs $1,500, wants $900, savings and debt $600. But what counts as a need versus a want? Let's break that down. Section 2, breaking down your needs. Your needs are things you can't live without. Rent, utilities, groceries, basic transportation, and insurance fall here. Here's an example breakdown. Rent, $1,000. Groceries, $300. Utilities, $100. Transportation, gas, bus, etc., $100. That's your $1,500 for needs. If your rent is too high, consider house hacking, getting a roommate, or moving to a more affordable area. Your housing costs should ideally be no more than 33% of your total income. Section 3, the wants you can actually afford. Wants are non-essentials, things that make life fun but aren't vital. Think streaming subscriptions, dining out, shopping, gym memberships. Travel on a $3,000 budget, you get $900 for wants, but be careful. Overspending here is the most common budget killer. Pro tip, try the 2x rule. If something costs over $100, wait 2 days before buying. That pause helps avoid impulse spending. Section 4, saving in debt, the real game changer. This is where your future lives, your $600 savings and debt payment fund. Here's a simple split. Emergency fund, $200 retirement, $150 extra loan payment or credit card debt, $250. Start by building 3 to 6 months of expenses as an emergency fund. Then invest for retirement through a Roth IRA or 401k if available. Got debt? Use the avalanche method. Pay off the highest interest debt first while making minimums on the rest. Section 5, real-life budget. Example, here's a sample budget on $3,000 a month. Needs, $1,500. Rent, $1,000. Groceries, $300. Utilities, $100. Gas, $100. Wants, $900. Streaming plus internet, $100. Eating out, $200. Shopping, $150. Travel savings, $100. Fund miss, $350. Savings, debt, $600. Emergency fund, $200. Roth IRA, $150. Credit card debt, $250. Section 6, quick budgeting tips that make a huge difference. Use free apps like Mint, YNAB, or EveryDollar to track expenses. Set up auto transfers to savings the day your paycheck hits. Review your budget weekly, not monthly. Cook at home more. It saves up to $200 a month. Remember, budgets aren't punishment, they're empowerment. If you've made it this far, you're serious about your financial future, and that's awesome. Like this video, if it helps, subscribe for more smart money tips every week, and download our free monthly budget template in the description below. Your income may be $3,000.